Case name Yatharth, age is 22 years. Today date is 17th of June 2024 and complaint of change in voice from 9 years and ENT finding is left vocal cord paralysis with phonatory gap. Yatharth, I want speech sample before treatment.
Yes sir. My name is Yatharth Reja. I came here from Karnal, Haryana.
What challenge you are facing in day-to-day life communication?
Like my voice became hoarse during these years and I face some problems in communicating.
This is the voice sample after 8 days of voice therapy and today date is 24th of June 2024. So why you came here, on which date you came and how do you feel after this 8 days of voice therapy?
Actually I came here for the treatment of left vocal cord paralysis. I came on 17th of June 2024 and I came here from Karnal, Haryana. So I have seen some slight changes in my voice.
How you observe the changes? How you observe?
Like I recorded my voice in my phone on 17th of June and today also. So there were slight changes in the clarity and breathiness.
Yeah, so picture अभी बाकी आपका ट्रीटमेंट पूरा नहीं हुआ है. Hybrid mode will be treating like 8 days we are treating here through the like offline mode and then we'll be treating by online mode. Then we'll be at the end we'll be combining all the 3 video, first day 8 days and after completion of the end of the treatment. So anyway, if in 8 days any changes happen or not, those who are watching, you please write in the comment box, and if there is some changes, please share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope and motivation and they can reach to a right place. तो क्या मैं आपकी वीडियो सोशल मीडिया में अवेयरनेस के लिए यूज कर सकता हूँ?
Yes, you can do.
Okay, thanks for the permission. Thank you. Thanks for the watching.